Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. On the, you know where I'm going. We're going to Hotrods in Horsetown this morning. A little shot of our little town here in Northern California on a beautiful Sunday morning. I got her all cleaned up last night. Got all the lettering and lights and numbers off her. Back. Oh Jesus, I'm so excited this morning. He's just so excited. He loves getting out and getting exercise. Yeah, I'm quiet this morning. Let's open her up. Landed. No, you ain't talking to me.
That thing still runs?
Barely. What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy? How are you?
Long no see.
Yeah.
Did you have the thing this year?
Yeah, just passing out flyers right now. It's coming up in about 2 weeks.
Okay, good. Well, definitely have to plan on doing it. How's the Nova running?
Great.
I haven't seen it in such a long time.
Yeah.
It was all, here's a tip. Valet parking.
That's it.
What brings you out here today?
Just to pass out some flyers. We're going to go hit a couple other car shows here.
Okay.
Real quick.
Yeah, don't let me hold you up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I look forward to it every day. I tell everybody about it. I do a video about it every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I'm ready. Nice 59. What did you drive?
Hot 59.
The 59. I was going to say, I've seen it before. No wonder it's getting all the attention. Oh, yeah, W motor, huh?
What is that, 348?
Uh-huh.
We have 59 El Camino.
So have you been to the Field of Dreams car show?
No.
Oh, you gotta go, man.
Okay.
That's an annual event.
20th annual this year.
What's that?
Wow.
20th anniversary.
Well, I'll get the flyer.
Yeah, I'll make sure I do a special video this year.
New York.
Beautiful 59.
Flyer, Randy?
No?
No, you
What
want
are you
one?
doing now?
Huh?
Are you plumbing?
Yeah.
Where are you plumbing at?
All over.
Oh, poor old Lex.
Huh?
Poor old Lex.
Oh yeah.
Fucking, I'm driving. I have to drive. You-
That's a bomb. They're going to other states.
Good morning, good morning.
Right, ready?
What's that? That's just right. I'll just agree with you. I agree to disagree. Field Dreams Car Show. Great car show.
Is it on Sunday or Saturday?
It's on Saturday.
You cannot miss it. It's the best show. Check out my videos. I do every year of it. Tacos, music.
You're going to be there?
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. If I'm there, you won't go. I know you won't go. I'm there every year. I do videos every year of the place.
I told you it exists.
The 26th, Saturday 26th.
Yeah, it's a great
never bring it
Great
out.
time. No, I remember. I did a couple videos on it.
We're going somewhere on 26.
Yeah, that's in the morning. The Malloy Museum.
Oh, the museum, yeah.
Yeah,
What museum?
Malloy.
Where's that at?
We don't know the exact location, but we have to leave at,
It's a little cruise to go to it.
Oh,
And
it's a
all
private?
Indy cars
No.
and
no, they let white people show up.
Okay. Whatever.
I guess this guy was into sprint cars,
Yeah.
real big,
Yeah.
and he offered someone to be a millionaire if they could find the original sprint car that his dad owned.
Really?
He said, "You'll be a millionaire if you find it."
Dad was the one who started Speedway in Gardena.
At Angajanians?
Well, but he claims that he
This is before the Angajanians, I guess it was.
Yeah,
when it was Carroll Speedway.
Ascot. It was before it was Ascot.
yeah.
Wow.
He's got a big
40s
museum
and early
someplace in Corona, and 9 o'clock.
When you didn't do this?
The 26th at 9
26th.
o'clock at the airport. We're meeting there.
And can anybody come?
Yeah,
We'll let you.
Oh,
wide
thank you.
open.
You can use my name.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank
That's
you.
Elvis. Thank you very much.
Michael. So what's happening today?
Did you get a flyer?
Nah.
Yeah. You got to go to that.
You all right?
Yeah, you got to bring Penny to that too. It's a lot of fun. We do it every year.
Where's it at?
It's over here in off Limonite.
Okay.
And they have tacos. They have live music. 20th anniversary. A little car show right there.
Yeah.
Great people.
Okay.
Make some new friends.
Well, that's what I need, more friends, huh?
Where are we going today?
Randy Lorenzo's museum.
Randy
Right?
Lorenzo's museum. Okay. And you'll be there at 11?
Yeah, I gotta leave here at 11.
Now they're doing what, an interview for a
I
TV
guess
show or
it's an
something?
interview, but it's a nice museum.
But we can get in though, right?
Yeah, you get. That's fine.
Finally. I've never been in there.
I know it. That's why I want you to be there.
And I want to tell you something. I don't know if I told you enough. That guy bought that Comet
Yeah.
because of that Lions Museum decal that you said make sure you get that. And his partner in Florida